This week's top stories.
Cleaning industry leaders write open letter to government about Sue Gray report. The chair of the British Cleaning Council has requested a meeting with Cabinet Secretary Simon Case to discuss the revelations of poor treatment of cleaning staff highlighted by Sue Gray's report. In the letter, a request to engage with the government and review both the allegations and the details around the steps that have been taken is put forward. Sodexo's head of health and safety named COVID workplace champion. April Harvey from Sodexo has been recognised for her role as health, safety and risk lead in the mobilisation of the first COVID quarantine facility and COVID-19 test centres. April, who is head of health, safety and risk at Sodexo Healthcare, was named COVID workplace champion by the Royal Society for the Prevention of Accidents. How should I be working? A survey of 2,000 employees has revealed that just over half do not describe their employer as a good communicator, and 70% cannot agree that their employer is clear about the company's work policy now that COVID-19 restrictions have eased. The research, conducted by Magenta Associates, the integrated communications consultancy for the built environment, found a concerning number of respondents felt ill-informed and even unheard at work.
For all the latest facilities and workplace management news, read more at TWinFM.com.